Ever feel that it's just you who's being made jealous? Doesn't that cause rage to erupt from within yourself? We get that feeling. Women have been using this trick up their sleeves for quite a while now, and they can steer the relationship in any direction they want by controlling the jealousy factor. We will reveal hidden treasures that will put you back in the driver's seat. These reverse psychology tricks have been meticulously passed down and preserved to help men. But wait, what if it backfires? Don't worry, we get your fears, but with these tricks, she'll only be more attracted to you. By the end of this video, using reverse psychology, you will be able to make her jealous at will, but keep her locked in at the same time. So please pay close attention till the end, because we will blow the gaff here. Number 8. Ignore her. That can be considered normal if you are occasionally busy when your partner calls you, or if you are hanging out in your social circle. She won't make a fuss about it, but if this happens regularly, it will annoy her. Previously, she did this to you, but now you can turn the tables by doing the same thing to her. This way, she will realize she is not at the top of your priority list and start wanting you more. However, remember that you should not keep this up regularly for an indefinite time, because she will start thinking that you have lost interest in her, which is devastating for any relationship. If she suddenly feels that this has become your top priority, it will make her jealous and even crave your attention. Number 7. Going the extra mile for others. It is also another essential thing that you can do to make her feel more jealous of you. What will happen if you are respectful and courteous towards others, even more so than you are towards her? It will make her feel less remarkable in your eyes, and therefore jealous. Try things like opening the door for other women and paying close attention to what they say. While it looks nice that you are being respectful of other women, she will take notice if you go out of your way to be generous towards other females. Things such as picking up a female colleague or dropping her off at her home can make her feel suspicious about you, which will ignite feelings of jealousy. Even things like dressing up, especially when you go out together to meet her friends, can impact her psyche. After a while, you will start noticing changes in her, such as her being more attentive and loving toward you. Number 6. Showcase your talents. It can also have a significant impact, especially if you do it around other women and women who are close acquaintances of her. It can be anything unique to your personality. For example, if you are a great guitarist, you can bring your musical instrument over and flex those talents in front of other women who might not know about them, making you look sexier. It is a subtle trait that will make her feel like you are putting yourself out there for other women. It will make her feel like you are a cake from which any other girl can take a slice. Your talent can make her jealous when expressed in front of other females. She worries that other girls will notice all these great qualities in you and might throw themselves toward you. This factor can make her more jealous, changing the relationship dynamic entirely. Number 5. Be closer to someone besides her. This trick is the master key to opening any door you like in her heart. If you have a female colleague who is a friend or a close friend of yours in whom you can confide, things will be much easier for you to turn around. You can make her feel highly jealous when you play different pranks or give your female friend more attention than her. Going above and beyond for your female friend, even though it is platonic, can make her feel anxious about you because in her mind, that female friend might be digging her claws right into you and eventually snatching you away from her. However, with this trick, you must be careful and balanced. Even though this works well, you must be cautious with it. It would be best to reveal all of this to her before it turns into something you cannot control. It is essential because you don't want to break up or make her lose interest in you altogether, but rather keep her close and get what you want at the same time. Number 4. You are happy without her. If she notices that you can achieve happiness without her, it will be something that she will take mental note of. Everybody wants to be alone occasionally, but if she notices that you can spend quality time with your friends, it will make her jealous if those friends involve female friends. Because the only reason you should be happy in her mind is her presence. It is exactly what guys who label themselves as alphas do. They act like they are happy with or without her, and if she exhibits a specific behavior, they have no problem finding happiness elsewhere. It will make her jealous because she wants to be the only person who can make you feel good about yourself. Number 3. Act oppositely. Remember that women like to play games, and they play games to get your attention. But when they start noticing that those tactics aren't working on them, they will start losing it and then try even harder. So now you have to use the oldest psychological trick in the bag. What you have to do is simple but highly effective. You must act coldly and stoically toward her when she acts warmly toward you. It will confuse her and make her think she might have done something wrong. This confusing chain of thoughts will cause her to feel jealous because you will be acting normally towards other people. The same thing will work in reverse as well. For example, if you feel she is acting coldly towards you, show her the warmer side of your personality. But be careful because you don't want to chase her when she is acting coldly. When she is acting cold, she will expect you to try to convince her. But when something like that does not happen, she will feel more jealous and confused with your behavior, putting you in the driver's seat. Number 2, don't be afraid of loneliness. There will always be moments in which you will have a lot of physical distance between the two of you. During this time, the mistake most guys make is that they start messaging her, saying that they are missing her a lot. If you reveal that you miss her, it will give her confidence and power over you. A person who wants to label themselves an alpha would never do this. You should act like a lone wolf if you are serious about making her jealous. The lone wolf is an animal that can survive the harshness of the jungle without help. If you convey the message that you are a self-sufficient person, even though there is a lot of distance between the two, you are a person who can find happiness on his own. Make it clear that she is not the sole reason for your joy. If she gets that notion, you can control her heart. If she notices that you are going out and enjoying yourself without her, it will prove something she never wanted to accept about you. Now that is something no one will tell you, but it is true. Acting like this will make her jealous. Number 1, innocent comparisons. Women don't like being compared with other women, and that is a fact. To them, wearing a dress of the same color can be considered an act of war. The same thing applies when you compare a physical attribute of theirs with that of other women. But doing something like that is very demeaning and hurtful, which will push her away from you. You can playfully compare her to her as well. It won't be as nasty as you might think, and will help you achieve what you want, that is, making her jealous. Compare things like her punctuality with other women's. For example, if she comes up late for a social event or any other commitment, you say something comparative, like this other person would have been more punctual. It cannot be taken as seriously, but it will make her jealous while keeping your hold on her heart. Conclusion: always be respectful of her wishes and desires, because if she has set an absolute boundary over something, you should not do those acts because they will make her lose interest in you. On the other hand, you can always act playfully and do innocent things that can make her feel jealous of you. Acts such as complimenting other women, flaunting your talents in front of other women, or being overly excited by the presence of girls other than her will make her jealous. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.